Hello, this is demo of Pack and Unpack functions, and we'll see how to create a cell of single value string which will pack all data we select, and then use unpack function to bring it back into an array. So it must be that easy. Use pack function to pack everything inside of our data, and it creates a cell with all data inside it, and next to it I'll show unpack function. Unpack works vice versa, so it creates an original array out of this packed. Please see this and please think how we can use it. I see different ways where we can use this pack and unpack functionality, and I think it will be really helpful for merging, combining multiple structures of arrays of data, and for creating complex logic in your spreadsheets. And so if you need to install this, please go to your menu, go to your menu data, named functions, and here import function, and then select spreadsheet from your drive. For now it is not possible to add this function by URL. That's why first of all you need to copy my sample spreadsheet, and then you can find it here and use this spreadsheet as yours, and import it into your file and try pack and unpack functions in your spreadsheet.